know me. I'm a zero, I'm a weirdo, I'm a struggling superhero. But I'm a star in outer space, asking alien, they'll say I'm the real deal. Found each other in a worse way, everything was going wrong. The drugs we took for breakfast couldn't convince us nothing's wrong. You ever feel like nothing's real, like a Truman Show or something way more miserable? If we tell each other secrets, even the dark parts that don't glow, maybe life could feel a little less alone. We may never stand a chance, but we still gotta try. No one's coming to save us from ourselves tonight. Chance encounters, chance encounters. I felt sinister on the sidewalk, intrusive thoughts abound. I kinda felt like jumping into traffic downtown. It all blurs together and it barely makes sense. We were 16 once, we will never be again. Are you listening? Oh my God, what a spiritual awakening. I listen, oh my God, to the genius you're self-training. Maybe things can never be the same, and that's okay. If we tell each other secrets, even the dark parts that don't glow, maybe life could feel a little less alone. We may never stand a chance, but we still gotta try. No one's coming to save us from ourselves tonight. Chance encounters, chance encounters. Chalk it up to fate or whatever. Blame it on a higher power for the chance encounter. Maybe the right stars have aligned. We've crossed into a parallel life from the chance encounter. We may never stand a chance, but we still gotta try. No one's coming to save us from ourselves tonight. Chance encounters, chance encounters. Oh, thank you so much, everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You got a secret, try to keep it all your life. Ain't helping no one, they've been in the run all this time. I know heaven ain't a place that you can't go. Say that in a place like this, but some things just don't make sense. But we still got fight in our face. We're better angels, we're better angels. Heavy odds in a place like this, but some things just don't make sense. But we still got fight in our face. We're better angels, we're better angels. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's going to be a lot of thank yous, but seriously, our record, Everything I Ever Saw, came out yesterday. It's great to be back home here in northeastern Pennsylvania. Thank you so much for celebrating the album with us. Thanks for picking it up. It's so cool looking out and seeing so many familiar faces. That's my favorite thing about playing in this area. So many people have been triumphing the band for so long. The band turned 20 years this year, and to see the familiar faces over these last 20 years, it's the best thing in the world. So seriously, thank you.
It's funny, we've been, we said the record came out yesterday. Obviously, we've been doing so much press and stuff like that, and we keep getting asked how we were able to stay the same four people for 20 years. It's so rare in a band. And it really is because we were so lucky to find each other, and we're so lucky to have so many incredible friends and family, and all of you guys that's been backing us for this entire time and letting us do it. So thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
Just can't make this shit up, gotta keep your head up. I know that it's easier said than done. Just can't make this shit up, gotta keep your head up. I know that it's easier said than done. You can always reinvent yourself. You can be whoever you are. 'Cause we're nobody's heroes. We're nobody's heroes. We're nobody's heroes. 'Cause we can only be ourselves. Oh. The future always seemed far away, but we've entered it now. So fucking mess for crying out loud. By scraping ants and flies off the bottom of your shoe. You gotta do what you gotta do. Strange premonitions, 20/20 hindsight. Tonight we set the world to rights. You wrote your manifesto on the back of a napkin. It said, we're nobody's heroes. We're nobody's heroes. We're nobody's heroes. 'Cause we can only be ourselves. Looking for your golf ball lost in the woods. Sometimes goodbye's goodbye for good. Maybe we're all a little misunderstood. Out here running for our lives. We're nobody's heroes. We're nobody's heroes. We're nobody's heroes. 'Cause we can only be ourselves. Oh, we're nobody's heroes. We're nobody's heroes. We're nobody's heroes. 'Cause we can only be ourselves. Oh, oh, nobody's heroes. just can't make this shit up. Gotta keep your head up. We're gonna play one more from the new record, and we're gonna play a couple old ones for you. We're gonna play the title track. I guess I'll be honest here. The first line of this song, it kinda is and it kinda isn't. It's kind of a fib. So I used to have a really, really good memory when it came to the bands. Like, they could ask me, they would be like, where was that venue in Germany with the weird thing? We went to backstage in the pool. I'd be like, oh, that was in Einfurt, Germany. It was on July 17th. I had it down pat. And then I always loved that I was really good at it. And then all of a sudden, someone asked a question like that, and I was dead wrong on my answer. And Tom was just like, you're totally wrong, dude. I was like, there's not a chance I'm wrong. And I was so wrong. And it hurt me so deeply. So I have to admit defeat, and that's where the first line, born with a bad memory. I guess my memory isn't as good as I wanted to believe it is. Anyways, this song, it's about wanting, it's about this journey that we've been on with this band, all the people we've met, and just wanting to appreciate and remember it all and be present throughout it all. So the song is called Everything I Ever Saw. Born with a bad memory. What a fatal flaw. I wish I could remember everything I ever saw. I take the good with the bad, the happy with the sad. Every stranger's face that's walked on by. 'Cause at the end of our days, there's signs in our windows. Store closed and everything must go. Oh, 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 I don't wanna live, I just wanna remember. Yeah, 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 yeah. I don't wanna live, I just wanna remember everything I ever saw. Born with a broken heart, all stitched up, but always coming apart. Sayonara, I don't wanna, but I get that we both need some time to let ourselves grow. I don't wanna live, I just wanna remember. Yeah, 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 yeah. I don't wanna live, I just wanna remember everything I ever saw. 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 I don't wanna live, I just wanna remember. Yeah, 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 yeah. I don't wanna live, I just wanna remember everything I ever saw. 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 Thank you.
All right.
Anybody come from Hanson? Yeah. Nice, somebody awesome. And you could have said, Hanson played in downtown Scranton today, and I would have been, not have believed you at all, and then was shown photographic proof.
Hanson, the band, played in downtown Scranton today, Joe.
Today?
Yes. Yeah.
We are about to, actually. But now we can't, because you guessed it.
When we were kids, my dad would take us to a record store and be like, all right, kids, you can each pick out a tape or a CD, whatever it was at the time. And I picked out Chumbawamba, and my brother picked out Hanson. So I think I got the better one. I just want to thank Joe and everybody here at Gallery Sound for always championing the band, having us today. Thank you all so much for being so great to us. This song is off of Hello Exile, which we did an in-store here
Sure.
for that album. Yeah. The song is called Anna. I memorized every single moment, every fleeting passage of time. The way you'd laugh and dance in the kitchen, you're drinking too much cheap red wine. I always rewind, the whole movie's in my mind. Back to the times, fast moving in with you. Oh, my picture-perfect memory can recall it all so clearly. The way we decorated the walls with nothing much at all. I always rewind, the whole movie's in my mind. Back to the times, fast moving in with you. Come back to Philadelphia. This place ain't the same without you, Anna. You got a great big new promotion. Now you travel so damn much. It's like our studio apartment, just a place to keep your stuff. And when you're away, I walk around in a haze, reminiscing the days, fast moving in with you. Oh, I have so much to tell you. Please come back to Philadelphia. This place ain't the same without you, Anna. And oh, the neighborhood has changed, and all our friends keep asking for you. This place ain't the same without you, Anna. But I will wait for you, babe. Take as long as you need to take. I'll be fine on my own. Count down the days till you come home. I have so much to tell you. Please come back to Philadelphia. This place ain't the same without you, Anna. And oh, the neighborhood has changed, and all our friends keep asking for you. This place ain't the same without you, Anna. But I will wait for you, babe. I've so much to tell you. I've so much to say. Take as long as you need to take. I've so much to tell you. I've so much to say. Oh, Anna. Thank you.
Here's to you, same chords that I stole from a song that I once heard. Same melody I borrowed from the void. Rather observe structure, narrative. Characters are thin, plot does not develop. Ends where it begins on the screen in paperbacks, Section 8 and cul-de-sacs, electro echoes and drunk sonnets are moving me along. You cut my hair, you left red ink everywhere. Do minds tell the stories that boring? You cut my hair, you left red ink everywhere. Do minds tell the stories that boring you? Would I give to force you sigh? Would I give to see you cry? Would I give for your caress to see a blue cotton dress balled up on the floor? Turn memories of the problem, turn drunken lines of the shame. 700 miles in 4 years, I can't fight the flame. It burns. Burns and it burns and it burns. You cut my hair, you left red ink everywhere. Do minds tell the stories that boring? You cut my hair, you left red ink everywhere. Do minds tell the stories that boring you? Yeah, okay, thank you so much for coming to this. This has been
Thank
incredible.
you, seriously. We're gonna play one more song. We're gonna hang out. We're gonna take a quick 5-10 minute break, and then we're gonna come back. And if you want your record signed or you want a photo, let's do it. We'll hang. It'll be great. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for picking up the album. Thank you, Gallery of Sound, for having us as always and all your support. We're gonna play another old one, if that's cool. This song is called K-Seat. Thank you guys, everybody. I sat and thought about you on the long ride back to Philly. From the way that you'd wear your hair, from the way that you'd laugh when you drank too much before the plug was pulled. The fires burned out, all the parties grew bored. You waited tables, I waited for your shift breaks. Every time I open my mouth, used to get drunk before we did the dishes. Oh, every evening, me and Casey, we used to get high and listen to our photo. 'Cause it was so much easier. Yeah, it was so much easier than dealing with everything. So Casey, just tell me when you're ready. I'm all packed to go. Would have searched for that little place we found forever ago. Yeah, we could take my car. Yeah, she's still got the spirit. We could live, we could live, we could live in the longer just after it. Me and Casey, we used to get drunk before we did the dishes. Oh, every evening, me and Casey, we used to get high and listen to our boredom. 'Cause it was so much easier. Yeah, it was so much easier than dealing with everything. It was so much easier than dealing with everything. It was so much easier than dealing with everything. Thank you so much.